Hi, I'm Leif Claesson, the creator of the Omnia.9, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an internet stream directly on the Omnia.9. Omnia.9 has built-in streaming encoders for AAC, AAC+, MP2, MP3, Vorbis, and WMA. All of them are available. You can have as many streams as you like directly from the box, just streaming to your server. This way, you won't need an extra audio card or an extra computer, and anything like that, and you'll have no quality loss. Your stream will be as clear, as clean, loud and dynamic sounding as is humanly possible. Looking at the front panel interface here, this Omnia.9 has the HD2 and HD3 option package, so we see the primary, secondary, and tertiary program. For right now, let's set up a stream from the primary program. So we'll go into primary, and in other videos we've looked at the FM processing, but right now we're going to be looking at the digital processing. So there's three parts. Well, there's the undo for digital, the unprocessor. Here's the actual dynamics processing, which we've already set up, and here's the streaming encoder, Leifcast. In this menu, we see all the different streams that are available. But in the configuration options, you can change how many streams you want of each particular encoder type. Right now, how about we set up an AAC Plus stream? It's a popular format. It's the best sounding format at the lowest bit rates. So start by looking at the encoder settings. Let's type in a title. As you click on an editable control, you get the on-screen keyboard, which resizes like everything else. So if you had large meters as you came in, just drag it up and you'll be able to type. We'll just select this, and then we can start typing. W, X, 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 the X. Okay, so that's our station name. And now for the bitrate setup, because we'll be using AAC+, well, the key part of AAC Plus is SBR, spectral band replication, so we'll want to turn that on. For the bitrate, how about we go with 64 kilobits per second? Done. Audio bandwidth, channel mode, all those we can leave as a default. This is the outgoing sample rate of the stream. We can set it to whatever we like, because Omnia.9 will resample the audio with the highest quality resampler so that it matches the encoder. For a low bitrate like this, if we're pushing the dynamics of the audio, if we're pushing the loudness of the audio with a lower bitrate codec, you're going to get distortion in the inside the decoder. So for that reason, there's a separate gain adjustment control for each encoder. For AAC Plus is at 64K. I happen to know we should be turning it down by 2 dBs. So let's do that. There's that. Now we go back out to Leifcast and let's look at the server settings. This prototype unit has a built-in server. It's running AIXcast 2. So right now I'll be typing in the local IP address. Normally, this would be the address of your ISP server, or if you have the server in-house, it could be the host name, as long as it's on the same network. Okay, and it's an AIXcast 2 server, and the password on my particular server is hackme, so let's leave it at that. And the MIME type is AAC Plus, and here let's enter a mount point. This is a server-specific setting, and your IT manager will your IT guy will definitely know how to do this. But it's really nothing to it. And the URL, there's the URL of your station, wxxx.com. And genre, of course we play 80s and 90s, Leifcast. Now let's go step back out and into the AAC2 encoder, and we'll enable it. That's it. It's encoding, it's streaming, it's connected. Let's make sure it's actually playing some music as well. There we go. Now next we're going to look at this laptop. Here's Winamp, commonly available audio player, and now let's see if we can listen to the stream. So we press Control L and we type in the address of the Omnia unit, which is available from the front panel, and you'll see how in a different video. So it's Omnia.9 99910 port 8000 / wxxx.aac, and we'll press OK, and there it is, streaming with titles. And and next I'm going to show you how to set up title streaming so that your automation system can directly send out the song title into the stream as well as into RDS.